Hey guys, it's Chris over at AceVacuums here in Leesburg. Today we are going to talk to you guys about central vac systems. I know we do a lot of videos talking about different things and products and services and things that we offer. As you guys know, it is springtime. The birds are chirping, the sun's out, and that means pollen, dust, dander, all that type of stuff, and those seasonal pesky allergies come into place. So we want to let you guys know about the central vac systems. They have amazing filtration systems on these central vac systems, and 9 times out of 10, the dust and dirt and allergens and dander all are exited out of the house. They're passed through either outside of the garage or up through the basement. Most of the time they all have exhaust vents and filters. So if you would like to have your filters cleaned, replaced, if you'd like to have your vacuum for your central vac system serviced and ready for the springtime to get all that springtime cleaning done, check us out. We service the whole Northern Virginia area. We go by appointment only, so if you would like to have your central vac service clean and new filters, new bag, all that type of stuff, we do service calls. You can call us up, or we can set up an appointment with you guys, and then we can come out within a week's time to go ahead and have that whole thing serviced for you and get ready for all your spring cleaning and get ready for all those parties and fun events that you're going to have at your home this coming summer. So if you guys would like to have that done, give us a call here at 703-997-9292, extension 2, and ask for Chris. I'm here all day. We can help you guys out with any questions. If you have any problems with the unit, we also can come out and service that and get that all fixed for you as well too. So let us know if you guys like to take part and have your central vac serviced and clean and all new filters done on it before the summertime hits. That way you get everything ready to go for the season. Alright? And I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, as well as Facebook. We appreciate you guys supporting local, and thank you all so much.